PS Diving Service here at Bulls Bay Marina. We are at 64. This vessel was cleaned on Monday, but the diver did not have a camera. It is Wednesday, so I am coming back out to just inspect her really quick. If she doesn't pass muster, obviously she will be recleaned. I think she'll pass muster, but she's not going to look quite as clean as she did 2 days ago when she was done. But let's take a look and find out. So far, not too bad. A couple missing spots, but I can hit those while I do it. Slow play. Let's look at the other side. This is the reason for QC. I'm going to go ahead and knock out these few little spots. The boat was cleaned, but the diver did say he had light trouble and camera trouble, and that's what it looks like it. So, just a few spots. I'm going to go ahead and hit it now.